We had, in fact, Benin Technical College, because I heard somebody talking, they produce. Have been producing before now. I have a friend, he's a draftsman. He's a product of Benin Technical College. I have a boy who is into mechanical works. He's a product of Benin Technical College. They used to do crankshaft grinding inside Benin Technical College. Now,
sorry, I know this is your time, but when you talk of Benin Technical, I get emotional. I was a teacher in Benin Technical College for 2 years. Some of the persons watching us now are my product, my students. As soon as I came back from youth service, the first assignment I got was an auxiliary teacher in Benin Technical College. I taught maths there for 2 years, between the period 2016 to 2018, before I left the school. As at the time I was teaching in Benin Technical College, my students were fixing my car. When I drive to work and there's any problem in my car, I call them, Godwin, this person, this way. They come and they fix it. If my cars have any issue, the one we cannot do within the school, as I am driving out, they have various workshops that we attach them to. When we train them, we attach them to workshops. And those workshops, they work there and learn. They get extra skills added to the one we teach them in the classroom. You understand? And the way the government planned, I did that to plan to do the Benin Technical College that has failed now, is promised. But I was there. He came to visit 3 times within 2 years. First 2 years in office. Well, that was supposed to be his signature project. He said he was going to build a power station inside the compound of Benin Technical College to power the Benin Technical College and environs. We must remind our people of all this, because when you are talking, people will be abusing you because they don't know. Ignorance is not bliss. Now, you promised all that, and as of today, 3 years down the line,
it's still being built.
It's still under construction.
It's still being built.
Now let's even leave whether it's under construction or not. It will shock you to know that more than 80% of that project is being financed by the World Bank and CIFOR. It's being financed by the World Bank and CIFOR. As at the time I was there, CIFOR had already supplied equipment. World Bank had come to visit. A World Bank representative have come to visit. People from Central Bank have come to visit. The question is, what is now your own inside as the governor of the state?
MOU.
Please, sorry.
So you go.
It's okay.
Let us talk. You talk. Tell us about Tayo Akpata University, the College of Agriculture, College of School of Health Sciences.
Tayo Akpata University was before now College of Education, Ekeadolo. It serves several purposes for the people there. Students come in there, learn and go. Indigents were employed either as casual workers or as main staff or some other extracurricular activities that could keep them going. There was a symbiotic relationship between the school and the indigents. You know why? Because as students come in off-camp settlements, people get, money, and by way of renting their apartments and all that. All that stopped when the school was changed from College of Education, Ekeadolo, to Tayo Akpata University for Education. And then projects started. When Mr. Governor came, he stopped everything, because the last batch of students to transform from the College of Education to the university, then they were trying to run it, see how they could run affiliations. That's almost when Adams was exiting. And when Mr. Governor came, he put a halt in there to, they'll say they want to do audits, they want to do this. And then before we knew, there were protests and all whatnot. And the latest we got to know is that the man transferred the body to TED Fund. It became a TED Fund project. Why? Because you are, just like he mentioned, the Benin Technical College being funded by World Bank and CIFOR and EU. You understand?
Yes.
So it is with this Benin Technical College thing. Today it is being taken over by the federal government education fund or whatever. And so when it becomes like a federal government project, it's going to take for like
much longer time.
Now that takes us to College of Agriculture, Egoriaki.
Yes.
That he wants to make settlements, to be an agric university where you have campuses in the 3 senatorial districts, ditto the Tayo Akpata University, that they're going to have campuses still as we speak. The School of Health was supposed to undergo renovation and all that. Mahmood, it is the same story that was said in 2016 where campaigns was on. The only thing that has changed is that there has been MOU signed in millions of dollars in the name of Edo States, greasing palms of cronies and friends from either Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, the UK, or the US. So far so good. Who have suffered? Edo people have suffered. Let me tell you, the Tayo Akpata University of Education, whether you like it, if you like, you still want to call it College of Education, because the people of Ekadola are already now clamoring that it was better a College of Education than to have a university that is not functional. That's what the Benin will call Atoriokpa or Masafia Uriemila. It's better to eat fowl and live long than to eat cow and die young. Then we have left that. The School of Health and all these institutions are in Edo South. And when you hear him say Adas Oshiomhole is a godfather, and people like us begin to wonder, what do you mean by even the godfather? He puts university in his home village.
Opposite his house.
Opposite his house. He has given them teaching hospital. He gave them a poor barracks. He turned their roads in the village.
Into the
bush.
Street lights. Into the bush.
Oh, if that's how to do God, you do godfather too. Do it for Edo South, let's see. And you're coming to, you can ask somebody. You said Komedada Saliu Oshiomhole is a godfather. Does he have a commissioner in your administration? Does he have a councillor in your administration? Does he have a local government chairman? Because you are saying you move this local government chairman. The only commissioner he had, I can tell you,